Hi kids, do you know what Casual Day is? It's a special day where we wear fun clothes and buy stickers to help kids with disabilities. Like me. Your school can sell stickers for just 20 Rand each. The money helps with good cause. When you join, we'll come to your school and talk about disabilities. It's fun and helps us all understand each other better. Look at Abel getting ready for Casual Day 2025. Let's all wear our stickers and show we care.